video we discuss how to create an airplane departure symbol using keyboard shortcut in Windows computer. For doing this, I open my Microsoft Word, and after that I am going to use this keyboard shortcut, that is Alt 128747, for creating this aeroplane departure symbol. Okay, I'll show you how to create this. For doing this, you must first go to your keyboard, and in this keyboard there you can see this is the number lock. You must press this number lock. Now we have enabled the number lock. Then you can see an Alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press this Alt key. You did not remove your finger from this Alt key. At the same time, you can type here 1 2 8 7 4 7. After typing 128747, you can release your finger from this Alt key. Yes, now you can see that the symbol of airplane departure have been arrived in our computer. Okay, you can even change the color also from here. Change the color of the airplane from here. For more videos, subscribe to Online. Thank you.